All right, in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make money with PayPal, and we're starting right now. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and your goal is to take control of your life with an online business, then this is the channel for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want to know my #1 way for making money online, be sure to check the link down in the description, benjisdad.com/guide. Now, one of my favorite things about having money paid to you through PayPal is that it kind of becomes that checking account in the sky, that cloud account almost. And it gets to the point to where you can even assign your own card to that account and withdraw money directly from your PayPal account from ATMs, or you could just use it in the store like you would normally. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid through PayPal fast. So the absolute best way in which you can start earning money through your PayPal account would be to start your own online business. Now, starting your own online business can sound intimidating. It really can. Believe me, the first time that I heard it, I thought it was insane. And maybe you might even be thinking that it's very expensive to start your own online business in today's day and age. But you'd be wrong. In fact, I'm going to show you right now exactly how you can start your own online business for very, very cheap. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So with your online business, what you're going to want to do is partner up with other companies that are going to pay you a percentage for each person that you send their way and they actually make a purchase. This is a thing that's called online marketing. So we're going to go ahead and just put online marketing right here. All right, so online marketing. So one example of online marketing would be a place like Amazon.com. If you were to partner up with Amazon, which is 100% free to do, by the way, you partner up with Amazon, and anytime you send people to Amazon and they actually buy something, then you are going to receive a commission from it. So let's just say you have friends on Facebook or family, and you tell them, hey, I just bought this, brand new coffee that I just love to drink, and I want you guys to go ahead and try it. Go ahead and click the link right here in my profile. It'll send you to Amazon. Go ahead and buy it. I really did enjoy it. I think you would too. So you would use that link to send people to your website. So we're going to take online marketing out of there, and we're going to put in Amazon, because that's our example that we're using right now. So when you send your friends and family to Amazon and they go through and actually make a purchase, then you are going to receive the commissions. And commissions is just a fancy word for money, okay? You are going to get the money anytime they buy something from Amazon. So I know what you might be thinking. I really don't want to post this kind of thing on my social media. Your friends and family, they might get annoyed with the fact that you keep posting stuff saying, click here, go buy something, so that you can make a commission off of it. But I'm going to show you a trick that's going to help you be able to really market this not just to friends and family, but to anyone on the internet. And the last time I checked, over 4 billion people had access to the internet. So let's see what we can do to make some money online and not have to annoy our friends and family. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to be creating a blog. Now, a blog really is just a website that you are going to create that talks about a particular subject. So if you are interested in coffee, or if you are interested in athletics, or maybe you are good in relationships and you can give good relationship advice. Whatever it happens to be, you can create a blog on that particular subject. In fact, for training on how to create your own blog, it actually is free to get started. So be sure to check it out down in the description. I'll put a link to my #1 recommended training for creating your own blog. So anyway, let's just say, for example, we are going to create a blog on coffee. I keep kind of bringing that up because that's one of my favorite things to talk about. So we are going to create our coffee blog. So I'm going to put coffee blog. Now on this coffee blog, I'm going to be talking about coffee, obviously. You are going to want to be sure that you stay very specific to what your website is talking about. A lot of students that I have, they like to kind of go out and create a website or a blog that talks about a million different things. You don't want to do that, because if you try to talk to everybody, you end up talking to nobody. So you want to be very specific with who you talk to in your particular blog. So in this coffee blog, I'm going to only talk about coffee related stuff. Okay, so now that you are creating that specific blog about whatever topic you want, in this particular instance, we're talking about coffee. So what we're going to do, we need to find a company that we can partner with so that they would pay us based on the amount of sales that we send their way. And a fancy word for that would be an affiliate. So we are going to get with our very own coffee affiliate. All right, so now that we are part of a coffee affiliate, we can now write coffee related articles on our blog and then direct people to that particular company. And when, just like we showed earlier, when people make a purchase with that affiliate, we would then make the money. For example, we are talking about coffee here, so let's think of coffee related articles. You know, one of my favorite coffees is dark roast. So I might make an article that's called the top 10 best dark roast coffee. All right, so I would create this article and I would take this article and I would point people who find it to my coffee affiliate. And I would say, hey, this is the best top 10 dark roast coffees. This is what I think about each one of those coffees. And by the way, if you want to buy it, go down here to my coffee affiliate, okay? And make a purchase, and then you are going to make the commissions. So let's just think of another article, maybe something else that's related to coffee. Let's talk about coffee mugs. So maybe we'll talk about my 5 fave coffee mugs. All right, so now we would create a nice article talking about coffee mugs. So with that article, we would again point people to our coffee affiliate and say, hey, by the way, if you want the best coffee that I've been using, I really do enjoy the coffee, be sure to go check out my coffee affiliate. Okay, so now we're going to create another article. Let's just say the top 10 best light roast coffees. So then here's another article, and you see what we're going to do here? Of course, we're going to create a nice article answering this question, and we are going to point people to our coffee affiliate. So what we're going to do is somewhere in each one of these articles, we are going to include a link that directs people to our coffee affiliate. All right. And this is how we are going to end up making money. So say, for instance, this particular article gets 100 people on it a month. This one gets 200 people on it a month. This one gets 300 people on it a month. So we have 600 people who are landing on these web pages. Okay. Now you're not necessarily going to have all 600 of these people go to your coffee affiliate. In fact, you are really probably going to get a small percentage of those people to do it. But with the amount of money that you would make just from the few sales that you would get from that small percentage of the 600 people, that would be enough money to end up making a pretty decent commission from your coffee affiliate. And chances are your coffee affiliate will be able to pay you through PayPal, and you'll be able to get that PayPal money. So you need to create more than just 3 articles on your site, though. You're going to want to create anywhere, when you're first starting, between about 20 to 30 or more articles on your page. That's going to help your page look really good in Google's eyes so that it'll show up in search engines and you get that free traffic to your site. And free traffic is great because it's always profitable. You're always going to make money when you're getting free traffic. So this is basically the outline that you're going to want to follow when you are creating your online business that talks about whatever you want. Because remember, this particular offer, it works for anything, not just for coffees. There are what are called affiliate programs for almost every company on the internet. All you have to do is do a quick Google search about whatever it is you want to start your website on. So for example, my wife, she has natural hair, and she is thinking about starting a natural hair blog. So her question was, well, how am I going to make money with natural hair? So here's our box that we are going to write in, and you would take whatever it is that you're interested in creating your website about. So what we'll do is we'll go to Google and we'll type in natural hair, and then plus, we'll do the actual plus sign on the keyboard, and then put affiliate program. And what that'll do is give you a ton of results of websites that have affiliate programs that you can sign up to 100% free. You don't have to pay to join this affiliate program. So go ahead and use this trick and find affiliate programs out there that are going to pay you through PayPal, and you'll be able to make that PayPal money. So now all of that information that we just went over, It can seem a little confusing, a little intimidating. I understand. You know, it is kind of a lot of information that we just went over. However, I have a free guide over at benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. I want you guys to go check out that free video series that I've put together just for you that will show you step by step how you can build your very own online business with a blog. It's actually 100% free to get started, and really there's no reason why you shouldn't do it. You know, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this down in the description. Be sure to go check it out. I will be your coach and mentor. If you have any questions for me, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and then I'll be in contact with you if you decide to sign up. So if you have any questions for me, comments or concerns, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't started your online business and started getting that PayPal money yet, please tell me why. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to work with you to try to figure out what's stopping you from really starting your own online business and making that PayPal money. So if you want to take control of your life with an online business, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there, and I will catch you all later. Be sure to check that. Be sure to check it. I said it a million times and I forgot it. How is that possible? And really, all right, that's better.